Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can create and live your own Telegram app like a tap to earn game or like a tone mining app. So let me show you the app here we created is a tone miner. So user can withdraw and the user will earn shipcoin if they follow the missions, and here will be referral of the users, and here user can connect the wallet and upgrade the miners. So it will be pay like a 5 tone for the first one, the second, third, fourth, and automatically it will price change here, and user can rent the miner, and here is the profit for the 30 days and the rent for the 50 tone, and it will be get 150. So the question is this: how to create app like this? So first of all, we have to run a bot using Node.js. In the Node.js, you can use JavaScript, Python, or PHP, whatever language you're familiar. And if we see here, we have a welcome and this message on the app. So first what we do, we go here in the bot further and we set up new bot, give it username and the name of your bot. Then it will be generate a new token, and then we have to go in the my bots and choose the bot like this one, bot setting and menu button. So in the menu button we have to enter the URL and the give name like test game. So that's the thing, and the next one here we have GitHub. So for the free you can create a repo on the GitHub. Let me give you an example, and here is app. How you can create this app? You can create an app in simple HTML, CSS, and using JavaScript, but keep in mind it should be mobile responsive. Like here, it's mobile responsive. Okay, and what framework you use is does not matter. You make it in PHP and JavaScript or simple HTML, or you can use React app. Okay, so we have to host these files. If you are in the React and you have your own hosting, and you have your own domain, so you can host it there. And let me show you how I can host it. And okay, so let's first create a new private repository. Let me give it name tone mining app created. Okay, upload an S16 file. So I will drop the files here. For the creating a React app, you can open the tailwindcss.com website and click here on the get started. In the get started, you will see here installation, and you can click over here on the framework guide. On the framework guide, you can choose V. Okay, and you have to follow the instructions this one by one, and then you have to install the tailwind CSS and tailwind config. Then you have to change the config file. and add this in the index.css. Simply for the testing, you can copy and paste in the app.jsx file and npm run dev. So your app will be running, and after the modifications you can make in the app. Okay, now I'm commit changes. Okay, so here now we on the GitHub our project. So here on the render.com we have to get started, sign in with GitHub. Okay, authorize. Okay, create account. User already exists. Go to the render, sign in. Okay, we are login here, and we have to deploy the site. We will click here on the new and static site. Then we will connect with the GitHub. Okay, continue, and only selected. So install, and let me and one more thing, let me clear about the users. So where store the data. Here we have this welcome bot. This is the welcome bot. Okay, so it's stored the user data in the database like chat ID, username, NotCoin balance, ship balance, and the referral link. Everything it will be in the database. And for the database you can use Firebase. So how to set up Firebase? It's very easy. Come here on the console, firebase.google.com, and we have many collections here. And in the project overview, project settings, you can come here and add app, and you can web app. Click here and you will get the keys, these keys. So these keys you can use in the app to storing the data in the database. Okay, and now we come back to the render, and here is the name, path, npm install, npm build, and we will make it ./dist. So right now we don't have the env files because it's the testing, so it's the not final project. So I'm deploying it. So it's deploying. Here is the building. We get a URL here, so we will copy this URL, right, and we will come back to our board fatherboard, and in the edit menu button URL, and we will paste it here. We already done. Okay, and Let me run my bot. Okay, bot is running, and here you can see in the Firebase store the user's counter is working. Okay, as we set the user counter, and let's open here, turn, click here on the start. We get a message. We will open the app here. Okay, so here is it's working. We are just new user here.